Hello, it is Ya88, and I'm going today be doing an unboxing video for the Wrapsol Clean Screen Protector. It is the anti-fingerprint and glare for the iPod Touch 4th generation. As you can see, I have the iPod Touch 4th generation. Okay, so let's look at the back. The back, it says application handles for easy fingerprint free alignment, active air release, clears air bubbles within 24 hours. 100% dry application for safety and convenience. It's a screen only because I don't need a back. Yeah, let me just try something really quick. Okay, so let's open it. Alright. Is that all? Well, here we go. Okay. So, as you can see, we have the screen protector itself, a microfiber cloth for cleaning the screen, and I actually sort of cardboard material squeegee. And here is the instructions. Okay, let's see what the first is. Oh, I actually do have a screen protector on it right now that came with my OtterBox. I'm really satisfied with this OtterBox one. So let me take this off real quick. Hopefully I can try and save this, preserve it for another time. I'll put it on top of this box. Okay. Alright, so let's try this. Let's clean it. Let me open this. Oh, actually feels really good. Let's clean the screen. Make sure we have no fingerprints or dust on it. I'm actually doing this in my bathroom because there is not a lot of dust that gets into my bathroom, and every other room in my house is I guess dusted. Alright, so let's see, I cleaned it. I put down, this is a blanket. But it's really soft. Alright. Let's see, next, remove plus discard backing. Alright. Okay, just one more little wipe down. Alright. Here it is. Ooh, poke these holes out. It's a good idea. The heck? Oh. Yes, it is a matte finish, so it's probably gonna get in the way of the retina display. Alright, so let's do this. It's actually really hard to do in front of a camera. It's really sticky too. I don't think I mentioned, but this actually does have a a lifetime warranty on it, so it's a good thing. Oh, there we go. Looks just almost perfect. Alright, let me get the squeegee card. Push out all the bubbles. That was actually really bad installation. I can't tell if this is just air bubbles or dust, but it's no. It's okay, but alright. I'm not satisfied at all with this. But again, it says, that looks horrible. Alright, let's see what it says after. Installation. Squeegee. Remove top protective layer only from all applied films. Pull down. Alright. Wait, it says to do this. I don't know if this is just doing this is gonna help. Alright. It says for two. That's not it. This is this. The heck? Alright. Let's see if I can do this. Gosh, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I think I got it now. This is really hard to get this part off. I'm sorry. I'll skip through. I'll skip through this this part and I'll get back when it's done. Okay, so I did finally finish. It took like quite a while actually. It definitely does block the fingerprints, if you could see. I have a light on this camera. I'll turn on quickly, just the glare. There we go. Yes, it definitely blocks the glare, but it's picks up, responds very well. There is a lot there's a lot of air bubbles on it, like everywhere. It's a really good screen protector if you're one of those people who does not like to have fingerprints and likes to watch videos during the day and does not like glare. Yeah, so this has been the Wrapsol Clean screen protector for the iPod Touch 4th generation. Again. And this is United 8. And have a nice day.